Hello, my beautiful English learners. I'm Emma, and yes, I am holding a cup of tea right now.
And I'm Tom. And I also have tea.
Okay, focus. Today we are teaching you one of the most powerful and most fun ways to improve your English.
Using only 10 minutes a day. Yes, you don't need 3 hours. You don't need a private teacher. You don't need to read a 500-page grammar book that makes you cry.
All you need is 10 minutes, and maybe a sense of humor, and maybe a snack. Snacks help everything.
Before we start, please subscribe. It keeps us motivated and prevents Emma from throwing her tea at me.
I would never. Okay, maybe once.
Part 1. Why do people think they need hours? Most English learners think learning English needs hours. Long hours. Painful hours. Brain-melting hours.
Yes. They imagine themselves sitting at a desk with a giant dictionary and 5 cups of coffee, looking like this, face with sweat.
Or they think they must watch a full English movie with no subtitles and understand everything. If they miss one word, they panic.
Exactly. But here's the truth. Most people don't even have time to finish their breakfast. How will they finish a 3 hour English study session?
This is why many learners quit. Not because they are bad at English, but because their study plan is too big.
So today we give you the opposite of big. We give you small, easy, fun 10 minutes. And it actually works better.
Part 2. The funny brain science. Let me explain how your brain works. In a scientific and stupid way, your brain has a little worker inside. His name is Brainy. Brainy works hard, but he gets tired quickly.
If you study English for 2 hours, Brainy screams, "Please stop, I need a vacation."
But if you study English for 10 minutes, Brainy says, "Oh, cute, easy, let's do more."
Small lessons equals happy brain. Happy brain equals strong memory. Strong memory equals good English.
This is called spaced repetition in science, but I call it saving Brainy so he doesn't quit his job. Part 3. Why 10 minutes a day can change everything.
Let's imagine something. You practice English 10 minutes every day. 10 minutes times 30 days equals 300 minutes. 300 minutes equals 5 hours. 5 hours equals huge progress.
But here's the magic. Because it's easy, you don't skip days. Because you don't skip days, your brain stays active. Because your brain stays active, you learn faster.
And your confidence grows, and you don't feel guilty, and you don't feel like you're climbing Mount Everest.
Instead, you feel like you're climbing a small, cute hill. A hill with flowers and snacks.
Yes, and a butterfly that says, "Good job, keep learning English."
Part 4. Funny things you can do in 10 minutes. This is where the fun begins. Here are many things you can do in 10 minutes while laughing. 1. Listen to something short and funny.
Listen to a funny English story. If you laugh, great. If you cry from laughing, also great.
Laughing equals oxygen. Oxygen equals brain power. Brain power equals English improvement. This is science. Trust me. I read it on the internet. Probably. 2. Read something simple and silly.
Don't read Shakespeare. Read something like, Bob lost his sandwich. Bob is sad. Bob blames gravity.
I want to read that book. 3. Speak out loud, even to objects.
Talk to your coffee, your mirror, your cat, your plant. I miss you, my coffee. You make my mornings beautiful. You are the only one who understands me.
Talking out loud builds speaking muscles. Coffee doesn't judge. Plants don't argue. Cats ignore you anyway. 4. Shadowing. Copy like a parrot. Listen to English and repeat immediately. Become the English parrot.
If Tom says, I like pizza, you say, I like pizza.
If Emma says, I love chocolate, you say, I love chocolate.
If Tom says, Emma is the best, you say dash dash.
No, don't repeat that. 5. Learn 3 to 5 useful phrases.
Not 50 words, not 100 words, just 3 phrases you can use today.
Even one phrase is progress, because English grows like a snowball. Part 5. Your 10-minute daily routine. Let's build a funny but real routine. Morning, 4 minutes.
Listen to English while brushing your teeth. Just don't brush your phone.
Or play English audio while making breakfast. Eggs plus English equals Egglish. Afternoon, 3 minutes.
During lunch, read one small paragraph. One, not the whole internet.
If your boss asks why you're reading English, tell them, I'm upgrading myself. Evening, 3 minutes.
Speak a few sentences about your day. Even whispering is okay.
Unless you live with people who think whispering equals ghost. Then speak normally. Part 6. What happens? After 1 week, 1 month, 3 months.
After 1 week, you understand more words. You speak more confidently. Your brain feels lighter.
After 1 month. You understand English videos. You stop panicking when you hear fast English. You start thinking in English for small ideas.
After 3 months, you become unstoppable. You understand conversations. You read faster. You speak better. And you proudly say, Yes, I study English every day.
Part 7. Mistakes to avoid. Mistake 1. Studying too much. You become tired and fall asleep on your textbook. Mistake 2. Learning too many words.
Tomorrow you remember. 0. Mistake 3. Feeling guilty.
Forgive yourself. Even robots need reboot sometimes. Mistake 4. Trying to be perfect.
Perfection is not real. Not even Tom is perfect.
Wow, thanks. Part 8. Funny 7-day challenge.
For 7 days, do 10 minutes of English. No more, no less, just 10 minutes.
If you complete the challenge, you win. If you fail, you still win because you learned something. Part 9. Long funny motivation section.
Learning English is like cooking soup. If you cook every day, you get better. If you cook once a month, you burn the house.
English is like brushing your teeth. Do it every day or things get scary. Very scary.
English is like going to the gym. but easier, and you don't sweat. Unless you're scared of grammar.
You are capable. You are smart. You are improving, smiling, laughing, learning, and that is the best way. Thank you for spending this long, silly, helpful lecture with us.
You learned? You didn't fall asleep, I hope.
Please subscribe, like, and comment your favorite funny moment.
Keep learning. Keep smiling. And remember, 10 minutes a day can change everything.
See you in the next lesson.